System boiler cylinder in a loft. Can a system boiler cylinder be fitted in a loft? As you can see from where I'm sitting today, I am in a loft space with an unvented system that is actually behind me here. We have a valence cylinder, a valent boiler. So as you can see from where I'm sitting at this moment in time, yes, it is possible to put an unvented cylinder in a loft, and it can be a good option depending on the space you have within the rest of your property. As you can see, everything is nicely compact into this side of the loft space itself. It has a nice flooring to be able to handle the weight of the cylinder and the boiler itself, and it has a good layout in order for an engineer to be able to come up and service both the cylinder and the boiler. So yes, it can be a very viable option depending on what space you have in the property and what property you have to have your cylinder or unvented cylinder in the loft.